it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. How are you all doing? I have a few things to show you today. There's Happy Mail, there's a finished object, there's a yarn haul. Well, I think it's one ball. And what else is brewing? Oh, my coffee. Okay. Let's start with the Happy Mail. I got a card from Kathy Pearson. Thank you so much. Kathy's from Texas. So I got this a while back, Kathy. Finally getting to record it. But it's a lovely Christmas card. Have a jolly holly Christmas, it says. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty, right? And on the back. And so Kathy wrote, "Hello Darla, just wanted to send a little hello and say thank you for all your videos. I really enjoy them. Thank you so much. You are so talented." Oh, thank you. I'm going to give shadow boxing a try soon. Yeah, my shadow box. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you for all you do. From one of your subscribers, hugs. Thank you so much. And the card itself says inside, "Wishing you a Christmas filled with all the good things you deserve." Thank you so much. It was a really nice Christmas. We spent it at hubby's sister's place, like we always do. I had my mask on. Yes, I did, except when I ate. But yeah, it was a really good time. Really had fun. Okay, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas too, Kathy, and thank you so much for this card. And then I got another card all the way from Germany to Canada. Yes, and hey, Karis, what do I have? I'm gonna hide the address on the back. But look at these beautiful stickers. Sticker in each corner there, and then this beautiful deer. I am gonna try to save those and reuse them. So this is from J Hook Crochet, Reggie. Hi, Reggie. And yeah, I emailed her to let her know that I got it. And it's a beautiful card. Let me just, okay. It's a beautiful card. Can you guys read that? I don't read anything but English. Teensy weensy bit of French. But with the help of Google, whether they're correct or not, it says Happy Christmas and one Happy New Year. I don't know. Reggie, is this word happy? And then it also says this word is happy on Google. But it looks like two different words to me. But thank you so much. This is great. Oh, it says Belgian on the back. Yeah, thank you so much. My hubby said to me, they took your idea with the raised embellishment there. And I'm like, well, no, they didn't take my idea. I didn't come up with that. Oh, but that was so cute. But anyway, Reggie included 2 teas. Now, I drank one already. And I'm just so efficient that I put the package in the recycle bin. So it's gone. So I'm sorry. I actually meant to save it so I could show you guys. But that one that I drank already was baked apple, flavored fruit tea with a baked apple aroma. Oh my goodness, it was so good. It was so flavorful. You know, sometimes teas they were really, really light taste, which is nice to have once in a while. But this one, and I wish I could show you the package. But anyway, it was so flavorful. It was like a bold flavor. It was so good. Thank you, Reggie. And then the other one she gave me, I have not tried yet. And this is it. And you can see there's a plum on there. And that one is, when I Googled it, it said Starlight's flavored fruit tea with plums and cinnamon aroma. We can see the cinnamon sticks right there. So I'm anxious to try this one. I can smell it through the package. It smells so good. I can smell mainly the cinnamon. Oh, I'm excited to try this one, but I wanted to show you guys before I ended up throwing out the empty package. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you so much, Reggie. I really appreciate it. Reggie has a channel, J Hook Crochet. I will link her below. Go check her out. She is very knowledgeable about crochet and yeah, stuff like that. So if you don't know her, please go over to her channel and you know, subscribe if you want to. Sorry, messing with my hair. All right, so yes, those are the two cards I got. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is I finished this. That's what I was working on. And I asked you guys to guess. There was no giveaway if you guessed right, because I linked the tutorial below that video and asked you just for funsies to guess what it is I was making before you check the tutorial. But anyway, here it is. You make a front and a back. And yes, it is a boho bag. This is about how big it is. The designer makes 3 different sizes. I mean, you work so far, and then, you know, you make it, if you want to make it small, you stop. If you want to make it bigger, you just keep going. She had different straps. I did mine a little differently. I just did, what did I do? I think I just made chains and then single crochets and attached them like that on the sides. Yeah. So this one actually just goes, it just goes over, oh dear. Okay, I gotta back up. Sorry guys. It just goes over my shoulder like this. Hers was, she made hers a crossbody. But yeah, it's called Crochet Boho Market Bag, and it's by Omi Crochet, O-M-I Crochet, all one word. And I'll link that tutorial below. Yeah, but I really like it. And what do I have inside? Are you wondering? I have I have the leftover yarn inside. I have the ball band. Oops. Sorry, I dropped the twist tie. I'm sure my cats will find it. I used Line Brand Mandela yarn, and I doubled it. These are 150 grams, 590 yards. They're a lightweight 3. Recommended hook size is a 5mm, and knitting needles is 3.75 millimeter. 100% acrylic. I actually used, even though I doubled the yarn, I still used a 5mm, just to, you know, keep it so that it's, you know, stitches are close together. You don't want to really lose anything small if you put something small in there. So yeah, Phoenix is the colorway, Phoenix. So I had color controlled, yeah. So I have these balls left over, and these are the blue ones left over from 2 skeins. So I don't know if I'm going to make another one with those, or if I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. What do you think I should do? But anyway, this is the beautiful colors. I love how it worked out. Yeah. So I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? Can never have too many bags as far as I'm concerned. So I'm sorry, I don't know her name. Oh, sorry. I don't know her name, but I'm going to link that tutorial below, and you can check out her channel. Yeah, and I think she's fairly new at YouTube. I think she has 3,000 subscribers, I think, something like that. So if you could go over there and you know, check her out. We really rely on shout outs and sharing of our videos to your social media so that people will know we exist. You know, some of us, well, not all of us want our channels to grow. I just love having so many Yarny friends. Oh my goodness, you guys are the best. This Yarny community is so amazing. I just want all the Yarny people to be part of it and not to miss out on it. And I want you guys who don't have channels to find other channels that you're going to fall in love with. Yeah, all right. So, yeah, so that is that item. And then I'm going to grab my coffee. All right, so in yesterday's video, was it yesterday's? No, maybe the day before. Oh my goodness. Well, anyway, watch yesterday's video too, because there's a special offer for some hand-dyed yarn. I showed my Michael's yarn haul a couple of videos ago, and I had got some of that Karen Cloud. Only one. I got one because my Michael's, I had to dig to find one, but I found one in purple. So one of my beautiful Yarny sisters, hi Jane, she let me know that they had on the Michael's online, they had the cloud cakes and other ones, but for $5.99. I paid $7.99 for mine, but for $5.99, and then you know you have to work in shipping if you order, and they have just a few colors. I actually made a community post if you want to go to that. It's on my main channel page, but so I ordered some. And they do, if they don't have them all at one place, you could get, say you order 4, you could get 4 different packages, or you could get one package with them all in there. Well, I just ordered these on, was that Monday or was that yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Anyway, yeah. Oh, let me show you this side. I saw a Pure Later truck pull up in front of my house, and you know, sometimes I get excited. I hope they're coming here, you know, and most of the time they're not. But I'm like, oh my God, he's coming towards my gate. Oh. So anyway, this is from Michael's, and this was sent from Medicine Hat, Alberta. And I'm in Manitoba, Canada, so I'm kind of wondering, you know, if I'm going to get them one at a time. But that's okay. So let's see what color I got here, because I ordered 2 purple, I ordered a gray, and I ordered one other one. I can't remember the name of the color. But anyway, see which one I got. From what I'm hearing, some people are having problems with the cloud cakes. They're not too happy with them, and I don't know why. I'm so far behind on your videos, you guys. If you talked about it, I don't know. But some people commented yesterday about it, or day before. But anyway, sorry about all the rattling here. I started working with one, the purple one that I got, and I think it's fabulous. I love the way it works up. I don't know what kind of problems they're having, but anyway, purple. Another purple. Yes. All right, so the Karen Yarn Inspirations Karen Cloud Cakes, limited time only, $11.99 here in Canada in the store. But like I said, I paid $7.99 at the store the other day, and ordering online was $5.99. And then there's shipping. So anyway, okay. So these are the cloud cakes. They are 100% polyester, 240 grams, 760 yards. I mean, that's a lot. Medium 4, purple. Purple is the color. And I didn't have a problem finding the center pull of the other one, but I did roll it up into a ball anyway, because I actually ended up frogging quite a bit, and that was my own fault. Yeah, but so I just rolled it up in a ball after that. But anyway, what else do we need to know? Hook size. It says a 4.5 millimeter, and same with the needles. They say this is a medium 4. I guess maybe it is. I think they're counting the halo, the little bit of halo on there maybe. Or maybe it really is a 4. Sometimes 4s seem so much bigger in some yarns. In other yarns, they seem smaller. But this is like the softest yarn that I've ever felt. Soft and squishy. So I'm working with it, and I love it. So, I'm going to tag Cindy the Crocheter A below. Hi, Cindy. This one's for you. This one's for you. So we're going to have to get together or something. Cindy and I live in the same city, and I met her through YouTube, actually. And I love her. I love her. So make sure you go down and you check her channel out if you don't know her. A lot of you know her, and your comments. I read your comments on her videos, and you're just so sweet. And Cindy is so sweet. She's a crocheter. Cindy the Crocheter A from Canada. Anyway, check her out. Watch some of her videos. She's been getting happy mail like crazy. That girl. She's so blessed. Well, we're all blessed, right? We're all blessed. We have to see. Like, I'm blessed with these cards and with getting this yarn so fast. And I'm blessed. My coffee blesses me. You guys bless me. My cats are blessed with lots of treats. Oh, I said that word. Okay. Okay, I've got to give them some now. Anyway, Cindy, this is for you. This is for you. You can make it I don't know, you make whatever you want. Maybe a beautiful, soft cowl. I don't know, whatever you want. I'm just giving out ideas. But, yeah. All right, so I think that's it. I think that's it. But, yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it for now. I'm going back to working on my tutorial. I'm at a point where I can videotape again the next part. It's a cardigan I'm making, and yeah, so enough talking. I'm gonna upload this video, and then I'm going to do some more videotaping of the tutorial. I was hoping to have it out this week. I said maybe I would. If not this week, for sure next week. So it's going to be probably next week. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. And remember, life is what you make it. And so is yarn. All right, love you guys. Bye-bye.